Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Classes, and this is Meenakshi, your mathematics teacher. So today in this video I am going to start the exercise 8.1, question number 1 to question number 5. So let's start solving question number 1. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is given 24 cm, BC is 7 cm. You need to find the values of sine A and cos A. So here in this case, you need to draw a right angle triangle. So here it is mentioned that right angle at B. So this is B, this is A and this is C. So for this triangle, this will be H, this is perpendicular and this is base. Now here the value of AB is given. AB is 24 cm. BC is also given to you, that is 7 cm. And we need to find the value of sine A and cos A. So first of all, in this case, you need to find the value of H by applying the Pythagoras property, that is H square is equals to P square plus B square. Now H square is equals to, the value of P is 24, this is 24 square plus 7 square. Now 24 square is 576, 7 square is 49. So 576 plus 49 is 625. The value of H is the square root of 625, that is 25. So here the value of H is 25. So here first of all the value is sine A. So the value of sine A is P by H. Now in this case the angle is given to you A. So for the given angle A, the opposite side is always considered as a perpendicular and this is the base. So here for the given angle A, the value of P is 7 divided by 25. This is the value of sine A. Now in the similar way, we need to find the value of cos A. So the value of cos is B by H. Now again the angle is same. So for the given angle A, this is the perpendicular and this is the base. So here the value of base is 24 divided by 25. So the value of sine A is 7 by 25 and the value of cos A is 24 by 25. So please have a look. Now moving to question number 2. So here find the value of tan P minus cot R. Now in this case, this triangle is given to you already. So here first of all you need to find the third side. So again in this triangle, this is H, this is P. You need to find the value of B by applying the Pythagoras property, that is H square is equals to P square plus B square. Now the value of H is 13 square, perpendicular is 12 square and the value of B is not given. So here you need to find the value of B. So 13 square is 169, 12 square is 144. So B square is equals to 169 minus 144, that is 25. The value of B is the square root of 25, that is 5. So here B is 5 centimeter. Now you need to find the value of tan P minus cot R. So here first of all find the value of tan P. The value of tan is P by B. Now here the angle is P. So for the given angle P, the opposite side is considered as a perpendicular and this becomes the base. So here the value of P is 5 divided by 12 and the value of cot R. In a similar way, the value of cot R, the value of cot is B by P, but here the angle is R. So now for the given angle R, this is the perpendicular and this is the base. So here the value of B is 5 divided by 12. So finally, you need to find the value of tan p minus cot r. So therefore, tan p minus cot r is equals to, so it's very obvious, 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 is 0. So 0 is the answer. So please have a look. Now moving to question number 3, that is, if sine A is equals to 3 by 4, calculate the values of cos A and tan A. So again in this case we will draw a right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. So here start from the given part. Sine A is equals to 3 by 4. The value of sine is p by h. It means that the value of p is 3 and the value of h is 4. So here the angle is A. So assume that this is A, this is B and this is C. Now for the given angle A, this side is considered as the perpendicular, this is the base and this is the hypotenuse. So here the value of P is 3, this is given, the value of H is 4, this is also given. You need to find the value of B. So again by applying the Pythagoras property, that is H square is equals to P square plus B square. The value of H is 4 square, this is 3 square plus B square, 4 square 16, 3 square 9. So the value of B square is equals to 16 minus 9, that is 7. The value of B is root 7. So here the value of B is root 7. So finally you have to find the value of cos A. Therefore cos A is equals to B by H. So here the angle is A. So for the given angle A, this is the perpendicular and this is the base. So here the value of B is root 7 divided by 4. So cos A is equals to root 7 by 4, and in the similar way the value of tan A is equals to P by B. So here the value of P is 3 divided by root 7. So this is the answer. Now moving to question number 4. 15 cot A is equals to 8. Find the value of sine A and sec A. So again in this case we will draw a right angle triangle. So always start from the given part. 15 cot A is equals to 8. So from here we can find the value of cot A, that is 8 by 15. The value of cot is B by P. So therefore the value of B is 8 and the value of P is 15. Now in this case the angle is A. So assume that this is A, this is B, this is C. So for the given angle A, this side is considered as the perpendicular, this is base and this remains the same. So here the value of P is 15, the value of B is 8. You need to find the value of H. Again by applying the Pythagoras property, that is H square is equals to P square plus B square. H square is equals to 15 square plus 8 square. 15 square is 225 plus 64, that is 289. So the value of H is the square root of 289, that is 17. So here the value of H is 17. So therefore the value of sine A is equals to P by H. So the answer is 15 by 17. Also the value of sec A is equals to H by B. So the answer is 17 by, okay, I am writing the answer this side. The answer is 17 by 8. So this is about question number 3 and question number 4. So please have a look. Moving to the last sum, that is question number 5. Sec theta is equals to 13 by 12. Calculate all trigonometric ratios. Now in this case, we need to find the rest trigonometric ratios. So here, first of all, draw a right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. Suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now again start from the given part, that is sec theta is equals to 13 by 12. Now the value of sec is h by b. So here the value of h is 13 and the value of b is 12. But in this case the angle is theta. So let us assume that this angle C is theta. So for the given angle, this side is considered as the perpendicular, this is base and this is hypotenuse. Now the value of h is given 13. The value of b is also given, that is 12. Again we need to find the third side. So by applying the Pythagoras property, that is h square is equals to p square plus b square. The value of h is 13 square. P is not given. The value of b is 12 square. 13 square is 169. 12 square is 144. So p square is equals to 169 minus 144, that is 25. So the value of p is the square root of 25, that is 5. So here the value of p is 5. So at last you need to find all the trigonometric ratios. So we will start from sine. The value of sine theta is equals to p by h. So here the value of p is 5 divided by 13. The next value, cos theta. The value of cos is b by h. So here the value of b is 12 divided by 13. The next one, tan. Tan theta is equals to p by b. So here the value of b is 5 divided by 12. The rest values after tan, find the value of cosec. The value of cosec is h by p. So the answer will be 13 by 5. Sec is already given here. The last one is cot. The value of cot theta is b by p. So here the value of b is 12 divided by 5. So these are the rest trigonometric ratios. So please have a look. So students, now the next exercise I will solve in my next video. So till then stay connected and do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon. Thank you.